In the given question, if we derive P or Q from the clauses P or R and Q or not R, then which of the following statements are false? Let's check one by one. First, we will check option A. In option A, this P or R and Q or not R imply P or Q is logical valid. It is correct or not? Let's see what is hypothetical syllogism. Hypothetical syllogism. It says that if A implies C and C imply B, then using hypothetical syllogism we get A imply B, or for understanding you may write it in this way. A implies C and C imply B equivalent to A imply B. So if we use this, also we know that P imply Q is equivalent to not P or Q. Using this formula and using this formula, I will use it in option A. P or Q, sorry, P or R and Q or not R imply, let's see what is this. So I can write P or R as not P imply R. We will copy this and we can write this as R imply Q. Using hypothetical syllogism, in this not P R R Q, we can write not P imply Q, which is equal to P or Q. So it is equivalent to this RHS. RHS is P or Q. So option A is logically valid. See option B. Hypothetical syllogism can be applied in one direction. You cannot write A implies C, C imply B can be written as A imply B, but you can never write A imply B is equal to A imply C and C imply B. This can't be written. So option B is wrong. Option A is correct. See how C is wrong or not. P or Q is satisfiable if and only if P or Q and Q or not R is satisfiable. Any propositional statement is satisfiable. Any propositional statement. So it is valid or it is true. P or Q imply false if and only if P and Q are unsatisfiable. In general, any propositional statement is satisfiable, but if question saying that P and Q are unsatisfiable, then P or Q imply false is correct. So this statement is correct.